Hello guys, welcome to Nitty Gritty Glow. So today we are going to do eye makeup for party. So we are going out at night. So we will do some darker party eye shadow we will use. So first of all, I am taking a dark pink eyeshadow which will I start applying on the side of the eyes, and always start with the corner because when you will take eyeshadow powder, so it will come in your brush little more, so you can blend that powder. So in middle we are going to take little bit golden and pinkish mix color. So next time I will show you the colors also. So on the outer side we are going to take golden color, but make sure to mix all the colors properly. And now this is how it is looking, and don't forget to use on the corner side also and blend it properly, and we will do the same thing with another eye also. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like my video. Blending is the game changer, so always try to mix it or blend it properly, so it will not give any patchy effect or it will not be different from each other, it will look like similar. And upper part of my eyes I am using white eyeshadow which will give a proper highlight eye makeup. So under my eyes I am using the same dark pink eyeshadow, and I am going to mix little golden with it. So I am using highlighter on two corners of my eyes and little bit on my lips also. So in night it will give a awesome glowy effect. And okay, now we are all set. Bye.